Hello, good people and data analysts. My name is Greg, and I run Data Independent, a learning platform for data analysts all over the world. And welcome to the next edition of Should I Join a Data Bootcamp, where we review the top questions that I hear about joining data bootcamps, data analytics, data science, and everything in between. So today we're going to be talking about a really big question that I get almost every time I talk to someone, which is, hey, can I learn all this stuff for free on my own? And well, let's jump into the answer. Short answer is yes, of course, you could learn all of this for free on your own. The data science community is one that is extremely giving with knowledge, and there are a bajillion blog posts about everything from how to do data to how to learn certain algorithms to very specialized visualization techniques and everything you'd want in anything you'd want out there. However, I want you to think about that quote. I forget who says it now, and I wish that I could attribute it to them. But it basically says, if the answer to being thin and being rich is more information, then we'd all be billionaires and fit or whatever. I'm kind of butchering it. But what I mean to say here is, yes, you could learn all this for free. But if all the information's out there, why haven't you done it yet? It's not a problem of the information being out there. It's a problem, or I should say, it's an opportunity to structure your learning and to really kind of draw a line in the sand in your life and move forward and say, I'm going to do this. Which, if we think about the meta level of a boot camp, it really helps you become disciplined in your learning and your learning program and what you want to do. So, yes, all the data science is well documented online. That's not a question. Of course it is. Learning styles. So, if you like unstructured and you want to do self study, then sure, yeah, it totally makes sense. You can learn online if you want to. However, I have yet, this is kind of a bold call, but I have yet to see anybody that I know change careers and use an unstructured self study method to enter in the data science and data analytics world from scratch. Now, they may have made a little bit of a transition, but and people coming from scratch, I've yet to see anybody do that. However, if you want a structured learning environment, then a bootcamp is really good for that. And they're going to provide, I mean, think about it. You're going to be there for 12 weeks or however long it's going to be. You're probably going to be full time on it and you're really going to get in the zone. And it's hard to put a price on what it means to be really motivated about something to absorb this learning material. And so think about the big picture, not just the facts. Whoops, not just the facts that you'll learn. So back in one of our first videos, we talked about what goes in and what comes out. And a boot camp is going to give you a ton of different things in return for the energy and the time and the money that you put into it. So go back to our previous video and see what comes out. It's not just the learning facts. There's a whole lot more to it. So that's the next edition for Should I Join a Boot Camp, a data boot camp, and make sure to subscribe and link in the description for a full blog post with 18 other questions that we're going over around this topic. Thanks, guys.